Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk, where we dive into the world of cutting-edge software tools that can completely transform your computing experience. Today, we're exploring an innovative application called keymapper. Now, if you've ever wished you could redefine your keyboard shortcuts or manage your keyboard layout with a finesse that's similar to customizing a video game character, then you're in for a treat. So, what exactly does keymapper do? This cross-platform tool allows you to redefine your keyboard layout and shortcuts, not just system-wide, but you can also tailor them down to individual applications. Imagine you're working on a design in Photoshop, and you want to tweak the keyboard shortcuts to better suit your workflow. With keymapper, you can do that seamlessly. But it's not just about shortcuts. Keymapper can let you control mouse inputs, manage different layouts for different contexts, and even share configurations across multiple operating systems. You could set it up on your Linux machine, your Mac, and your Windows PC, all with the same configurations. It's like having a universal remote, but for your keyboard. Now let's break this down a bit because it can sound a little intimidating. Keymapper uses configuration files that you can write by hand. This is where the magic happens. You can specify which keys do what. For example, did you know you can even remap the caps lock key to function as a backspace? That's pretty nifty and can save you lots of keystrokes over time. And for the more technical folks out there, we have functionalities like context awareness. This means that you can set your shortcuts to only work in specific applications or scenarios. Suppose you want your media keys to behave differently when you're in a music application versus working on a document. Keymapper lets you specify those conditions. It's customization on a whole new level. Now here's a fun question to ponder. What keyboard shortcut do you wish would magically appear in the apps you use every day? Picture that as we explore some practical examples from everyday users. For those who love to tweak and optimize their environments, keymapper even supports advanced features like delays between key presses or launching applications with key combinations. Imagine pressing a single key that launches your project script while also opening your favorite documentation. Now that's efficiency. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Like anything powerful, it comes with its quirks. Users need to have a bit of technical knowledge to set it up properly, especially when it involves handling configuration files. But once you're in, the sky's the limit. As we wind down this discussion, I encourage all of you keyboard warriors out there to experiment a little. Play with your layouts, reassign those keys that drive you nuts, and see how much more enjoyable your daily tasks can become. In conclusion, keymapper is not just about changing what a key does. It's about empowering you to create an interface that's tailored just for you. So whether you're a coder, a designer, or just an everyday computer user, there's something in keymapper to enhance your experience. That wraps up today's episode. Thank you for joining us, and keep those keys clicking until next time. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with keymapper, feel free to reach out. Happy customizing!